And what's up, you guys? Welcome to another video of Hurricane Michael aftermath. As you can see straight to the left right there's where the train got turned over by Hurricane Michael. I don't know, some of you may have seen it on the news. It totally turned over two sets of trains, but it didn't take them long to get the train turned back over, within maybe a couple of days, I would say. But anyway, you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Stay blessed and less stressed. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add that this footage right here is on my way to move out of my apartment. I had to move out of my apartment. So as you can see, like I said, more destruction of Hurricane Michael. Trees were like blown over so badly. Like, I've never seen so many trees doing the gangster lean. I'm not trying to be funny, but just like blown over, like seriously. But yeah, it's just horrible. It's just horrible. But once again, be blessed, don't be stressed, and God bless.